welcome back to my new video. So guys, today our topic is how to make money on Facebook in 2022. Before we started our video, make sure that you subscribe my channel so you can get the latest videos on my channel. Let's get started. How to make money on Facebook. Number one is sell or flip items in the Facebook marketplace or Facebook buy and sell groups. The Facebook marketplace is a dedicated platform for Facebook where you can list your items for sale. The same thing goes with Facebook buy and sell groups. There are niche groups you can find that are focused on selling stuff through Facebook marketplace. You think you can sell on flip through Facebook marketplace are unlimited. To list your item for sale, simply open the Facebook marketplace and click the create new listing button on the left side of the page. You will need to describe your item shortly, upload a few images and set the price. Number 2 is create a monetized niche Facebook group. Facebook groups are great for sharing, discussion and networking. There is also a gold mine where you could get a number of opportunities to earn money. Number 1 is brand sponsorship. With some changes in the Facebook algorithm, it's getting tough for business to reach their followers through organic posts, but there's a solution for that. You can partner with brands and get paid posts on Facebook. Businesses are actually willing to pay group admins to get their fair posts delivered to their target audience. Number 2 is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money from the Facebook group. As an affiliate marketer, you will be promoting products or services from business and get a commission out of each sale made with your link. You already have an audience who's interested in certain needs, so why not offer them products and services that they find helpful. Number 3 is change a membership for premium content. Facebook offers subscription groups now as well as a paid subscriptions group admin. You can change a monthly free of 4.99 to 49.99 in exchange for the money. You will be giving paid members access to special subgroups where you post exclusive content. Number 3 is buy stuff on Facebook Marketplace to resell elsewhere. Facebook Marketplace can be a great way to source used or even new stuff at discounted price. Simply look out for the best deal available on Facebook Marketplace and consider reselling items elsewhere. Build a Facebook Messenger chat box. Another great way to making money on Facebook is to build Facebook Messenger chat bots for various businesses. Facebook Messenger is a great marketing channel that continually evolving and the demand of chat bots increases. This is an alternative to an email list, but unlike email marketing, Facebook chatbots allows users to interact with the brand in real time to get answer to their questions immediately. Become a social media manager. Social media is not going away, and if you are already addicted to it, firms may be interested in hiring you to manage their social media channels. The average annual income for a social media manager is $45,000. Many businesses, however, don't require or desire a full-time employee and prefer to hire freelancer. Promote your services. One of the best way to earn money with Facebook is to promote your services on Facebook. Digital marketing can strongly influence your business regardless of what kind of services you offer. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video guys, please subscribe my channel so you can get the latest videos. Thank you so much. Take care. Goodbye.